Good day, guys! Welcome to Vinny's Artisan Journey. Let us begin our journey with the comfort food of fried rice with pan-seared salmon. Firstly, we need to pan-sear salmon with its skin side down. Let the skin crisp. It is much easier to slide the spatula under the salmon skin than to slide it under its delicate flesh. Normally, when I pan-sear the salmon alone, I will not add in any extra oil because the salmon skin itself will release sufficient oil during the procedure of pan-searing. But today, I'm adding in some oil to pan-sear my salmon because I need to reserve some extra oil to cook my fried rice later. By using the same oil to cook my fried rice, it's gonna be so fragrant and aromatic due to the essence released from the fish itself. Pan-searing salmon is actually super easy. Just bear in mind that we need to prevent the oil splatter by using cover or anti-splatter net. Pan-sear all the sides and edges of the salmon until it is light golden brown and set aside. Finely chop 6 garlic cloves. The ingredients I'm using here is meant for servings for 2 packs. Slice the onion thinly. Well, you can even dice it. There's no exact rules or regulations when it comes to cooking. Peel the skin of 2 carrots before dicing it into small cubes. Same thing with potatoes. Peel the skin off before dicing it into small cubes. Use the reserve oil of pan-searing salmon earlier to saute garlic until fragrant. Add in onion to saute together. Add in diced carrots followed by diced potatoes. Add in shimeji mushroom at this time. Pour in 2 bowls of white rice. Whenever we cook fried rice, it's the best to use leftover rice because it will prevent our rice from turning soggy as well as to ensure a good texture. Season the fried rice with a good fish sauce. Premium fish sauce used makes a difference to the taste. Add in a dash of white pepper and then drizzle in some light soy sauce. Season with a dash of organic mushroom powder. Lightly drizzle with some Worcestershire sauce. This is gonna provide an umami flavor to our fried rice. Taste the fried rice before setting it aside. Drizzle some oil, allow it some time to heat up before cracking in a village egg. Now for the veggie, heat up some vegetable oil before putting in our organic pea sprouts. This type of veggie requires a very brief cooking time. Therefore, do not overcook your veggie. Season with some pink salt. Add in a dash of cracked black pepper. Well, that's all we need for the seasoning because this veggie requires a very minimal seasoning. Set aside and we are ready to arrange all our ingredients in our serving plate. Last but not least, garnish with some bird's eye chilies for extra oomph. I hope you do enjoy my video. If you like my video, please click to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, see you next time.